So if you're watching, make sure you're subscribed. If you like the channel, drop a like, drop a comment. Help this channel get boosted, because sit. Over. What a stupid design. On this model, these top caps are fake. The fork caps are down there. So these just hold on the top yoke, but the fork, that's weird, unnecessary. Don't get it. So you know, the grease is quite old there, guys. You know, it's old grease, you can tell. So re-greasing won't hurt. Front wheel's on the floor, so I shouldn't lose anything. So yeah, I'll tap that loose, clean it, grease it, pack it back in. Yeah, let's do it. Good clean. Yeah, it's old, stale. Yep, old stale grease. So you're not going to see this process. I'm just going to clean the race. I'm going to clean the bearings. I'm going to repack them, put it all back in, torque it up. That should do exactly what I need it to do. It wasn't torqued. I'd say it needed a quarter more turn, half more turn anyway. That's probably what we were hearing. We were hearing movement in the head, although you didn't feel much. So let me get this done. Back together. The only way you can test these is once you're back together and you're leaning on it, really, which can be frustrating, but it's all we can do. All we can do is try. I'm going to give it a very quick test run just to check everything, try and drag the front brake in a bit. Basically, you just hold the front brake, run along a little bit, let it wear in, that kind of silliness, really. So I'll just be going up and down. I'm not going to film it at all. I'm just going to do it. And then I think I'm going to throw the advert up. I don't think the cush. I checked the cush drive when I was in there. They look brand new. They look spot on. So I have no concerns, unless, of course, the quick test ride throws anything. So I'll deal with that. I'll come back, I'll let you know exactly what's happening. I always tell the truth. And hopefully we're good to go. Get it up and advertised and out. I'm going to go and see Danny later. I'm going to take the Harley out. It's about a 45-minute ride. It's a lovely, lovely warm day today, so well worth getting out on the bike if you can. Honestly, that is such a nice little bike. I'm going to throw the advert up now. It's so nice. The front brake felt better after 2 minutes of running it along and holding it. It all just feels nice. So I'm going to get the advert up now because it's so I can push it in the garage. I've got the logbook. It's got some history. It's just had a lot of work done. 950 all day long, I think. 950, no offers. It's a great, great, great first bike, beginner bike, or even not. It hit 55 miles an hour today. It does about 100 miles to the gallon. The squeak's gone. The head bearings being re-greased is a big job worth doing. And you can tell it's just back to how it should be. It's a good loved bike. Last owner had it 4 years, and bits and pieces you could see were loved. You know, certain bits you could see had been done. They had been addressed. Valves have very obviously been done on this, and then other bits hadn't, like the runners on the brake pads. I have no doubt the brake pads were changed not long ago, but whoever did it didn't take the runner out and re-grease it and stuff. But I've now done all that. Everything's greased, tuned, adjusted. This bike's ready to go. I'm very, very pleased. It rides beautifully. So we're wrapped up for the day. I really didn't think I'd get the squeaking issue sorted, if I'm being honest. So I'm very, very happy. I'm always a bit picky as to how things turn out, but this is just a great bike for someone. It's going to be just enjoyable and usable. So very happy, and Gary getting his oil filter done today is good. I'm going to go home, have a rest, clean up, and then maybe go and see Danny after. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please do drop a like. You know, 600, 700, 800 people watching every video, 50, 60 likes. If you're watching, just drop a like. If you don't like it, drop a dislike. Actually do that, because it makes more sense to me. I'd rather have an even amount of likes and dislikes compared to the amount of watches. There's no point people watching and not engaging. So if you're watching, make sure you're subscribed. If you like the channel, drop a like, drop a comment. Help this channel get boosted, because you know, every penny I make, which isn't a lot, guys, it's about £120 a month through YouTube, but it goes into us, it goes into bikers community, it goes into charity. Every penny kind of goes into us, really. That's the reason Gary comes down and everyone else comes down. I never charge anyone a penny for touching their bikes. The new thing I do is I ask them to bring parts, but let's be honest, even then I'm always very happy to whip a part off the shelf and use it on people's bikes. I always find myself doing that.